Hi, Jenny from Sunday here. Today, I'm going to show you how to plant your new shrub. Fall is the best time to plant shrubs, but spring is a close second. Good news is, you don't even have to worry about figuring that out. If you bought your plant from Sunday, we'll ship it at the right time for planting where you live. So the first thing you want to do is pick a spot where your plant will thrive. A few things to think about are how much sun it needs and how much space it needs. This shrub that we're planting is the baby cakes blackberry bush. It requires full sun and about 3 to 4 feet to spread out. Shrubs do best in a saucer-shaped hole, so we'll dig the hole with the sides sloping like a bowl, about 2 to 3 times wider than the root mass, and just deep enough so that the top roots are even with the surface. You can save the soil for backfill. Remove any rocks or debris from the hole before you place your plant. To prevent your plant from shrinking, you'll want to loosen the soil at the sides of the hole. That encourages the roots to grow outward. Don't loosen it at the bottom of the hole though, because that can cause your plant to sink down. Now place your shrub in the hole, making sure that it's standing up straight. Now you can backfill in with all that soil you took out and just let it settle on its own when you're done. If you want, you can now cover the plant with about 2 to 4 inches of mulch. This will reduce weeds, improve water retention, and over time, it'll actually break down and improve your soil. Water immediately after planting. You'll want to keep the soil moist around the plant for at least a month after planting, but don't saturate it. And that's it. Remember, if you have any questions, our plant advisors are here to help.